So in this video, I want to show you guys how to check to know when a remote battery is dead. So this is the battery. This is 1620. This is let's see, 1620. So this is the multimeter. You put it on 20 volts. So this side is the plus side. And see, this is a 12 volts, 3 volts battery. This is the plus side. So you put it on the positive side. The positive lead, you can see it's still within 0, 0. Then touch the negative on top. You can see 2.71. So what it means is the battery has gone down below 3 volts. So in that case, the remote will not work. So this is a new battery. Let's test it. Not open it. Probably should have opened it before starting this video, but no. I wanted you guys to see clearly. We should do. I can't use my other hand to do it because I'm holding the camera. I have to keep doing it until it comes off. Okay, so it's out. As you can see, this one is Renata. I hope this will last. But it's same brand. So as you can see, 3 volts battery. So press this one here. Remember, it has to be on top of the positive lead. The plus side has to be on the positive lead. Then you can see 3.30 volts. So with this one, it will work. So once your remote control stop working, your Peugeot remote control stop working, and so I will recommend you remove the battery, use a digital multimeter, find out the voltage of the battery. You can see this is 3 volts. So in case the one on your own remote is not 3 volts, so you set it, you know what to expect when you are doing the test. So use your multimeter, set it to 20 volts, and then do the test. That will tell you if the problem is battery or from the vehicle itself or the remote control itself. So I won't waste money changing battery when the battery is not the problem. All right.